Hey, mamas. Huh? It's pouring out. Rain, rain, rain. Yeah, this will dry. See, they got their windows open in here. It's nice in here. The windows are open. They got the storm plastic up. It just stops the wind when the windows are closed. If there is any, keeps them warm. There is no wind in here, but it just helps the cold. It's cold out. The warmth in. So this is plastic. Open the windows. And gave the screens a good cleaning yesterday. All the dust off. Hey, mamas? Huh? Lousy weather. Huh? Nice and dry in here. Huh, baby? It's nice and dry in here for you. They got their cereal this morning. Yeah, bread, garlic, chili powder, black pepper, and some 5-grain scratch feed. Excuse me. They're all set. Huh? They can withstand anything. Huh? You guys can withstand anything, can't you? You want me to open up the plastic on the door for you so you can see outside, see the rain? Alright, I'll do that for you. Alright, found this. Oh, my mouse. Okay, baby. Oh, it's pouring. It's pouring out there. Huh? It's a pouring out there. Oh, baby. She sprayed you, huh? She's looking for a grain. Huh? She makes a mess, huh? All right. Oh, baby. What's the matter, Shadow? Huh? What's the matter? Huh? Huh? Look at a beautiful cone on this hen. Isn't that something? Look at that. It's beautiful. It's a hat. Huh? That's your rain hat. Huh? You're the only one with a rain hat. Look at it. It's got a nice little rain hat. Anyway. Okay, girls, I'm going to have my coffee. You're all set. You're nice and dry. Huh? You're all nice and dry. Okay. Keep it clean in here. Don't make a mess. Huh? Keep the dust down. Alright, mamas. See you guys later.